Hello, kindergarten friends. We are going to talk about a brand new letter today, and there are a couple supplies that you need to make sure you have because you're going to do this along with me at home. You need your eraser, your dry erase marker, your whiteboard, and your finger tracing cards for the letter Y, uppercase and lowercase. Okay? Once you have those, come back and join me. All right, before we get started on this letter Y, let's do our ABC chart. We are going to do it backwards again today. Are you ready? Okay, read it with me. Z, Z, zebra. Y, yo-yo. X, X-ray. W, watch. V, vest. U, umbrella. T, tiger. S, sun. R, rabbit. Q, queen. P, pumpkin. O, ostrich. N, nest. M, magnet. L, leaf. K, kite. J, jump rope. I, igloo. H, house. G, goat. F, fish. E, elephant. D, dog. C, cat. B, ball. A, apple. All right, let's go ahead and look at our letter cards for the letter Y. What do you notice about these cards? What is different between the two letters? One of them is bigger and one of them is smaller. You are so right. They both have the same type of a shape at the top, don't they? Except for this one goes straight down and that one does what? It slants, doesn't it? Okay, let's look at our letter card right here. I need you to help me read this. Ready? Y, yo-yo. Read it again. Y, yo-yo. Why do you think there's a yo-yo on our Y card? Because yo-yo starts with the letter Y. Listen, yo-yo. Do you know what sound Y says? Yeah, like you hear at the beginning of yo-yo. Listen, yo-yo, y. Can you think of anything else that starts the same as yo-yo with the y sound? Yes, the word yes starts with the Y, like yo-yo. And the color yellow starts the same way, like yo-yo. There's a lot of words that start with the y sound. Okay, let's practice our writing our Y now. We're gonna do uppercase first, okay? When you write, we always go from top to bottom, left to right, don't we? So where do you think we need to start with our finger on the Y card? Right here, don't we? Okay, so this is a slant line. So we're gonna slant down, slant up, and then you're gonna go down. Okay, so you will have to lift your finger. Slant down, slant up, and then you're gonna lift and go down. Do that with me. This time say the letter. Ready? Y. Good. Do it again. Y. It almost looks like the letter V at the top, doesn't it? If you can write a V, I bet you know how to write the Y. Okay, so now we're going to practice this letter, but we're going to write it on our table or our whiteboard with our finger. Ready? Y. Good. Could you do it in the air now? Y. Awesome job. Do it on your arm. Y. Very good. Okay, get your marker out. We are ready to write this letter on our whiteboards. Remember, when you write the Y, you're going to start at the top and you're going to slant down and then slant up like a V and then go down in the middle. Okay, that is how you write your uppercase Y. Are you ready? We're going to do this 4 times today. Do it with me. Each time, say the letter. Let's go. Y. 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 Okay, do you have it 4 times? Once you have it 4 times, you're ready to erase it. Get your eraser and erase it as fast as you can. Great job. Okay, so we just practiced our uppercase Y, didn't we? We sure did. Now we're going to practice our lowercase y. And boys and girls, if you can write an uppercase Y, you can write a lowercase y. Just like if you can write a V, which we've already learned, I know that you can write your Y's. You're just adding an extra line. So this one, we're going to write it a little bit differently, okay? This only has 2 lines instead of 3, like the last letter. And they're both slant lines. So you'll start the same way, okay? But then, after we do this line, you slant down, then you have to lift, and you come up here, and then you slant down, okay? See that? You're gonna slant down, then come back to the top and slant down. And there is your lowercase y, okay? So get your finger ready. We're gonna trace it. Y. Do it again. Y. Do it one more time, this time fast. Y. Very good. Okay, now get your finger. Let's write the Y in the air. Write a really big one. Y. Good. Now write it in the air, but this time do it small. Ready? Y. Good. Write it on your hand. Y. Are you ready to practice writing it with your marker? Okay, get your marker out. Now remember, when you do the lowercase, it's just 2 lines. You start at the top and slant down, and then you have to go back up here and slant down. And when you slant down here, you want it to meet. Do you see how they touch in the middle? You slant down and then come up here, and you're just gonna slant down until you touch that line, and then you keep going down. All right, we're gonna do it 4 times. Are you ready? Each time, say the letter. Y. 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 If you're not done, finish up your 4 Y's. And when you got all 4, then you're ready to erase. Sometimes the lowercase y can be a little bit tricky, and if it's a little tricky for you, that just means you just need to practice writing it some more. The more you practice, the easier it will get, I promise. Okay, so now that we're done, close your marker, and you are finished with our Y lesson for today. Have a great day.